Hi everyone, welcome to the world of GK. Today I am going to complete the physiography of India. We have already discussed the 5 divisions of physiography of India. Now let's go through the 6th division, that is the islands. Let's start. Here you can see the Himalayan mountains, and just below that you can see our northern plains, that is colored in green color. And to the west of that northern plain you can see Indian desert, and just below that there is a vast area, triangular shape area. This is Peninsular Plateau, and here you can see the coastal plains. Here is western coastal plain and up to this eastern coastal plain, and this both coastal plains meet at Kanyakumari, and the coastal plains extend from Gujarat up to West Bengal. And we can see our Lakshadweep here. Lakshadweep situated in the western side, and it is in Arabian Sea. And here you can see our Andaman and Nicobar Islands. They are situated in Bay of Bengal, that is eastern side. The islands, there are 2 major island groups in India, Andaman and Nicobar Islands in Bay of Bengal and Lakshadweep Islands in Arabian Sea. Andaman and Nicobar Islands. It consists of about 572 islands and its capital is Port Blair. So there are 572 islands in Andaman and Nicobar Islands and its capital is Port Blair. They are divided into 2 broad categories, Andaman in the north and Nicobar in the south. Andaman Island is in the north and Nicobar Island is in the south. 10-degree channel separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The channel that separates Andaman and Nicobar Islands is 10-degree channel. And there is Barren Islands, that is located in Nicobar Islands. Barren Island is the only active volcano situated in India, that is located in Nicobar Islands. Port Blair is located in South Andaman Islands. Port Blair is the capital of Andaman and Nicobar, and it is situated in South Andaman Islands. The southernmost point of Indian Union, Indira Point. Indira Point is situated in Nicobar, and other names of Indira Point are Parson Point or Pygmalion Point. The highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands, Saddle Peak. So Saddle Peak is the highest peak of Andaman and Nicobar Islands. The passage that separates the Little Andaman from South Andaman, Duncan Passage. Duncan Passage separates the Little Andaman from South Andaman. Capital of Andaman during British rule, Ross Island. Andaman and Nicobar have equatorial type of vegetation and its coastline consists of coral deposits. During the time of British rule, the capital of Andaman was Ross Island, and Andaman and Nicobar have equatorial type of vegetation. Equatorial type of plants are seen there. Its coastline consists of coral deposits. We can see lot of coral deposits through the coastline. Lakshadweep Islands. It is located 280 kilometers to 480 kilometers off the Kerala coast. The capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. The entire land is built of coral deposits. So the Lakshadweep, it is located 280 kilometers to 480 kilometers off the Kerala coast, and the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti, and the entire land is built of coral deposits. Lakshadweep comprises of a group of 36 islands, but only 10 of them are inhabited. So there are totally 36 islands in Lakshadweep, but only 10 of them are inhabited. The entire group of Lakshadweep islands broadly divided by 11th degree channel. So 11th degree channel broadly divides the Lakshadweep islands, and the largest island in Lakshadweep is Androth, and the southernmost island of Lakshadweep is Minikoi, and the most populated island in Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. You have already seen the capital of Lakshadweep is Kavaratti. That is the most populated island in Lakshadweep, and southernmost island of Lakshadweep is Minikoi, and the largest island in Lakshadweep is Androth. The north of 11th degree channel is Amini Island, and south is Cananora Island. The north side of 11th degree channel, Amini Island is situated, and at the south region, Cananora Island is situated. The channel that separates Lakshadweep Islands from Maldives, 8 degree channel. 8 degree channel separates the Lakshadweep Islands from Maldives. So this is all about our islands. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe the channel. Expect your support. Have a nice day.